Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a general love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus or Rising from 8th till the 14th of June 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Don't try to forcibly put yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box, and for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. आता नहीं, सपनों से जाता नहीं. We have the Empress, Libra. Somebody is seeing you in a very positive light, a light like a very caring, nurturing, and loving kind of energy. They see that you guys can have a future together. They feel like you guys can have a future together. Maybe it's like a mother or father or father of your kids. Let's clarify the Empress as their feelings, but they see you in a very respectful, loving, caring kind of energy right now. They see a future basically in the situation. Let's clarify the Empress as their feelings. तू है कि आता नहीं, सपनों से जाता नहीं. Okay, let's see. We have the Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, and the Knight of Swords. This is someone who sees you in a very stable, mature, respectful light, and they feel like coming forward towards you with some kind of, okay, let's start from the start kind of a thing, and this time we are going to make sure that everything is going to be fine. And then they feel like they are going to shit in their pants, and they are feeling like they should run away because these feelings are making this person scared as hell. They're scared of their own feelings because things are getting real. Like the shit is getting real, and this is making them feel like, oh my god, I was not ready for this. That is why they feel like running away from the whole situation, running away from the emotions, and trying to be in this energy of, okay, let's try to play it cool. Okay. Okay, so somebody here is feeling like the shit is getting real and it's making them freak out, and that's why they feel like, okay, run away. Let's see, what do you feel about typical immature behavior when shit starts getting real? A lot of people run away, and that is what this person is also feeling like. They were not expecting this situation to be this much serious or you to be this much good. Cool. From your side, we have the Seven of Cups. Either you are keeping your options open, and or there is a lot of ifs and buts and this and that and confusion, full of confusion kind of energy in the dynamics. There's a lot of confusion. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups as your feelings for this particular person or situation. I have the Two of Pentacles and the Hanged Man and the Eight of Cups. You guys are feeling very confused when it comes to making a decision or choice in this particular situation. And you guys are feeling like instead of keeping yourself stuck on the situation, you should just keep walking away. You should just keep creating a safe distance from the situation because you don't know what is going to happen or what is going to come out of the situation as a result. So that is why you feel like you should keep on walking away. You should keep on detaching because you're not sure what is going to happen next in the situation. There's a lot of ifs and buts, this and that, and full of confusion kind of energy in this particular dynamic. That is why you feel like, okay, keep on keeping on walking away and detaching, maybe towards another person, another energy, or for the time being you might be focusing on yourself. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? Knight of Cups. This is somebody who wants to come forward towards you with some kind of offer. Genuine, heartfelt, heart to heart communication. Maybe some kind of offer of, okay, more than friendship kind of a deal. Knight of Cups is a really beautiful, loving, caring kind of card, but at the same time, the depth is not that much deep. Okay, cool. So this is a person who wants to come forward towards you with some kind of genuine, heartfelt offer, genuine feelings, genuine energies. Maybe in some cases, some kind of communication or apology in the form of apology if something happened. But this person is like, okay, let's make love, not war. and not war, and let's handle the situation with love. Cool. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups as their intentions. तुम्हें किया था, सपनों से जाता. We have the Sun card, the Page of Pentacles, the Five of Wands. Yeah. This person wants to come forward towards you with a very clear cut offer of, okay, let's start from the start, let's be friends, and let's start from the start, take it step by step. They don't want to create any kind of chaos or conflict or misunderstanding. This person definitely want to doesn't definitely don't want to give you any kind of false hopes, and they are hoping for the same kind of clarity and understanding from your side too. So they want to come forward towards you, but they are not ready for commitment or marriage or something serious, like something so deep right now. And they don't want to create any kind of misunderstandings or chaos or conflict. And that is why this person wants to come forward with a very clear cut offer of, okay, let's be friends, let's take it forward from the friendship level, and let's see where things can go, or a little bit more than friends but not a full-fledged relationship. Okay, maybe there are other people involved in the situation, that is why they are not able to come forward towards you like openly, like 100% into the situation. But at the same time, they are not able to let you go. You are important for them. You are kind of important for them in their life. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Knight of Swords. From your side, you just want to resolve the issue. You just want to cut the crap as soon as possible, as quickly as possible. You are in some kind of restless kind of energy, and you just want to clear the air with this person, or you want to come to the conclusion as fast as you can in your life. You don't want to keep yourself trapped. You don't want to keep yourself stuck. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords as your intentions here in the situation, Libra. I have the Two of Wands and the Ace of Swords and the Justice. You know, you just want to wait for the time when you guys will be able to clear the air with each other, like crystal clear clarity and understanding of what is happening and what's going to happen next. And then you want to have a justice on the table. You just want to have balance on the table, equal give and take of energy from both the sides, equal investment and interest from both the sides, and both of you are equally responsible for everything that's happening or that's going to happen next in the situation. So you want justice and fairness in the situation from your side. Okay, no ifs and buts, no confusion, no this and that, nothing. No more confusion, no more living in illusion or delusion. All you want is crystal clear clarity and truth, nothing but the bare naked truth. And then balance and fairness, justice and fairness from your side in the situation. You're ready to provide it, and you're expecting the other person to also give it to you. Otherwise, you are not just play, you are not into the game anymore. You're like, I'm done. If this is not fair, I'm not playing it. Cool. Let's see what could be the okay. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 14th of June 2026. Libra. Seven of Swords in reverse. Okay, somebody will try to stop their deceptive energies or hiding or manipulative energies. Somebody who was trying to sneak away or play it like, okay, player, they will not no longer be interested in doing that. Whether it's you or them, or maybe both of you were playing with each other. Like, okay, you guys were not serious or something like that. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords in reverse as the potential outcome for you guys, Libra. I have the Six of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, and the Page of Wands. Okay, somebody is going to hold on to this connection, to this bond for dear life, although there is going to be lack of equal give and take of energy and lack of balance in the situation. But somebody is not trying, not letting it go, not letting the situation go, and they are coming towards you. It's like somebody is trying to come towards you with fairness. Finally, somebody is trying to come forward towards you with fairness, with justice, with balance. No games, no manipulation, no cheatings, no lies, no more secrets. Okay, it can be you, it can be them, it can be actually both of you, but one of you who has this habit of hiding or manipulating or being deceptive or being a liar or cheater or player or some kind of manipulative energies, they are in this now they are realizing that this kind of thing is not going to work out in this dynamics, and they have to come towards you with the very fair, very balanced kind of energy. Okay, and somebody will try to start from the start with this newfound energy of, okay, this thing is not going to work out in this scenario, so let me start from the start. This time I'm going to do the justice with the situation, with Libra, with the dynamics. Okay, it can be you also, it can be them also. Take it how it resonates with you according to your energies. Okay, and your own reality. Let's see what is the guidance for you guys, Libra, for this situation. I have the Three of Cups and the Moon card and the Eight of Wands. Okay, this collaboration or partnership is important for you. It's not important for them only, it's important for you also. But there's a lot of fear, a lot of insecurities, lots of questions, lots of things that are hidden, that are not honest, that are not properly revealed. Talking it out to the other person might help. Maybe they're not going to reveal everything 100% to you, but maybe you are going to be at peace with the answers that you're going to get out of this person, out of this situation. Okay, even if after talking it out with the other person, even if after proper communication you feel from inside that things are not matching up, or right now it's feeling like it's off, or something is not coming together, so take your time. Libra, don't be in any kind of hurry or rush to make any kind of life changing decisions or choices in a situation where things might not be that much clear right now, which okay, even okay, sometimes when things are not clear, it doesn't mean that the other person is cheating or lying or they are hiding something big from you. It simply means maybe they are, sorry, maybe they are not ready to open up. It simply means maybe they don't have the courage to speak up right now. So I'm not saying to keep yourself stuck in a situation where things are not clear for more than necessary. Maybe 1 month or so is enough for somebody to speak up and tell you the whole truth. Okay, but creating stories and scenarios in your head and hurting yourself, and feeding your mind is trying to feed you maybe lies. Don't listen to your mind, stick to the truth and the reality. If somebody is not able to tell you what exactly is going on, why they want what they want, and where you guys stand in the bond, in this connection, try to help them to open up, try to understand their energies, right? But not too much. Okay, create a boundary, tell them the timeline or something, and then you can proceed further. Stick to the boundaries and the timeline, that is very very important. Let's say if you're going to say within a month or so, if you're not going to open up properly, if you're not going to have a proper connection, I'm going to leave, then leave. You don't have to wait for another 1 year or 10 years to open for somebody to act right, right? Especially if this is a ongoing connection, it is not new or newish. Okay, at least 6 months or so. Don't be in rush. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Libra. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, you can take the answer as the guidance for yourself if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is get more information. Yes, before saying no or yes to a situation, get more information about that. Let me see. This card can function not just as a general suggestion that more information will help guide your decisions, but also as a warning that people or situations might not be as they initially seem. Seek to learn more about your present circumstances. Yep. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.